बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। डिज़ाइन एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ एल्गोरिदम्स के कोर्स में आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च। इट इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट ग्राफ ट्रेवर्सिंग टेक्निक, डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च. टू स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक you should know the concept of stack data structure and the operation on the stack data structure, which is push and pop. So let's start. We have this graph, given graph, and we have to traverse the graph by the depth first search algorithm. Initially we have empty stack, so which is used for keeping track of all the visited nodes of the given graph. So हम stack यूज़ करेंगे इसके लिए, ताकि इसमें जितने भी visited nodes हैं, जितने visited vertices हैं, उसको हम इसमें सेव कर सकें. And we will have the output sequence of that. जो है, जो विजिटेड नोड्स होंगे उसको हम, या वर्टिसेस हैं उसको हम यहाँ पे, फिर जो ट्रेवर्स होंगे और फिर उसको हम यहाँ पे आउटपुट सीक्वेंस में एंटर करेंगे. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको. जैसा कि हमारे पास ये ग्राफ गिवन है, दिस इज स्टैक एंड दिस इज़ द आउटपुट सीक्वेंस, जो के लिए इसके लिए हम वन बाय वन जो वैल्यूज़ इसमें हम एंटर करते जाएंगे. सो टू स्टार्ट इट वी हैव द first node A. We have to start it from alphabetical order में इसको start करेंगे. So A is the first alphabet in all the vertices. जितने vertices में जो जो alphabets जो values available है, तो उसमें A हमारे पास first वो है. alphabetically हम इसको जो है first जो alphabet आएगा हम उसको पहले traverse करेंगे. So we will put the A into the top of the stack, and we will put it here in the output sequence, and here we will put it on the top of the stack. Now we will search A, and इसके जो जितने भी adjacent node है, adjacent vertices है unvisited, ये तो visited हो गया, ठीक है, हमने इसको stack में पुश कर लिया है, ठीक है. Now we will check which are the unvisited nodes, adjacent unvisited nodes, which are B and C. So it is marked as visited first A, and then push it to the stack, and then put on the output sequence. In the output sequence, then from A there are two unvisited vertices, which is B and C. So alphabetically first is B. So we will check this, and we will put B on the top of the stack, and we will write it in the output sequence. Now we will check in the unvisited adjacent vertices of the B. So this is adjacent, but it is visited vertex, but there is no other adjacent unvisited vertex of the B. So we will pop up the B, because there is no unvisited adjacent vertex. So we will pop up B, and as we have right here in the output sequence. Now we have A on the top of the stack. So we will check the A and its adjacent unvisited vertex, which is S, because B is also adjacent, but it is visited vertex. So the next one is the S, which is unvisited vertex. So we will push it to the top of the stack, and we'll put it in the output sequence. So now S is on the top of the stack, and now we will check. We have to mark it as a visited node. So S is on the top of the stack, so we will check the adjacent unvisited vertices of the S, which is C and G. So alphabetically हमने क्या करना है, C को ले लेना है, ठीक है. So we will put it in the output sequence C next, and we will write it here on the top of the stake. So now it is marked as a visited. C is marked as a visited. As S have G, also G is the unvisited vertex, but जो अल्फ़ाबेटिकली हमने चेक करना है वो C है जो कि फर्स्ट है, क्योंकि S के साथ अनविजिटेड वर्टेक्स जो है वो G भी है और C भी है, बट हमने जो करना है फर्स्ट तो वो हमने अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर से देखना है, तो C हमारे पास जो है फर्स्ट आएगा. अब हम यहाँ पे C हमारा नेक्स्ट अनविजिटेड वर्टेक्स है और टॉप ऑफ द स्टेक हमारे पास C है. सो नाउ वी विल चेक the adjacent unvisited vertex of the C. So there are three vertices D, E and F. So alphabetically जो first number आता है वो D का है, ठीक है. So we will put D here and also here and marked is as visited vertex. सो अब हमारे पास जो टॉप ऑफ द स्टेक है वो है डी, ठीक है. सो टॉप ऑफ द स्टेक हमारे पास डी है. अब हमने चेक करना है कि डी के साथ एडजेसेंट जो वर्टिसेस है वो क्या है. वो सी है जो कि वो तो ऑलरेडी विजिटेड है. सो वी विल चेक द अनविजिटेड वर्टेक्स after D, adjacent unvisited vertex after D. So there is no unvisited vertex adjacent unvisited vertex with the D. कोई भी ऐसा वर्टेक्स नहीं है. सो वी विल पॉप डी एंड क्योंकि आगे जो है इसके आगे और ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म नहीं होगा. सो वी विल पॉप डी फ्रॉम द स्टेक. नाउ वी हैव C on the top of the stake. So there are two adjacent vertices unvisited and adjacent vertices which are C and F with the E and F sorry with C. तो C के साथ जो adjacent unvisited vertices है वो है E and F. So alphabetically हमने E को ले लेना है, ठीक है, और हमने E को यहाँ पे राइट करना है आउटपुट सीक्वेंस में और इसको यहाँ पे स्टेक में हमने पुश करना है and marked it as a visited vertex. Now on the top of the stack we have E. अब हमने चेक करना है कि E के साथ जो है adjacent unvisited vertices कौन कौन से हैं. अब ये vertex भी adjacent है but it is visited. So unvisited adjacent vertex with E is H. So we marked it as visited. We will write it here and push to the stake. So now we have H on the top of the stake. Now we will check the H vertex and check the adjacent unvisited vertex with the H. So we have two vertices, adjacent vertices, which is E and G, but E is visited and G is unvisited adjacent vertex. So we will put G here and also here, push in the stack and also put in the output sequence and marked is it as a visited vertex. So now we have G on the top of the stack, ठीक है. सो जब G को चेक करना है कि G के साथ adjacent जो vertices है उसमें अनविजिटेड वर्टेक्स कौन सा है. एडजेसेंट तो S भी है और H भी है बट अन और F भी है, तीनों है, मगर F हमारे पास अनविजिटेड एडजेसेंट वर्टेक्स है. सो पुश F to the top of the stack and put it here in the output sequence and marked it as a visited vertex. So now F is on the top of the stack and now we will check this vertex F and we will check the adjacent vertices, unvisited vertices. So all the adjacent vertices which is C and G. So G and C are the adjacent vertices of F and both are visited vertices. Adjacent तो है but both are visited vertices. So we will pop F from the stack. Now we have G on the top of the stack and also G have the adjacent vertices but both the three vertices. So both the vertices of both the three vertices and all the vertices adjacent vertices are visited, so we will also pop the G from the stack because इसके जितने भी adjacent vertices है वो all vertices जो है visited vertices है, so we will pop it from the stack. And similar condition with the H is also visited and all the adjacent vertices are visited, so we will pop H and we will have E in the top of the stack. Now we check E, and E have the adjacent two vertices but both the vertices are visited vertices, so we will pop E from the stack. Now we have C on the top of the stack. C have 4 adjacent vertices but all the vertices are visited, so we have to pop C from the stack. The next value in the stack, the top of the stack, is S. Now we will check S. S have 3 adjacent vertices but all the adjacent vertices are visited vertices, so we have to pop S from the stack. And finally we have A in the top of the stack. So A have 2 adjacent vertices and both the vertices are visited vertices, so we have to pop A from the stack. So here we have empty stack, and this will signal the algo to stop this operation, depth first search. And this is all the functionality working of the depth first search for traversing the graphs. So I hope आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा.